Fine, let us start solving problem number 21. Right? Here, a rectangle and a square have the same perimeter 100 meter. Right? What they have given, both the rectangle and as well as square have the same perimeter. Find the side of the square. If the rectangle has a breadth 2 meter less than that of the square, find breadth, length and area of the rectangle. So let us start working on it. We know that. So perimeter of the rectangle, correct, is equal to perimeter of, they have given perimeter of square. Right, let us check out with this. So we know that perimeter of a square is equal to how much they have given, 100 meter, and as well as perimeter of the rectangle is also there given 100 meter only. Now we have to find the side of the square. So side of the square, because here all sides are equal, right, in square, that is 100 divided by 4, we are going to get 25 meter. This is side of the square. Now if the rectangle has a breadth 2 meter less than that of the square, here in case of square, what happens, all sides are equal, that is 25 meter only here, and they have given the breadth of the rectangle, is equal to 2 meter less than that of the square, that is 25 minus 2, which is going to be 23 meter. This is a breadth of the rectangle. So we know perimeter of a rectangle is equal to 2 into length plus breadth, correct? Perimeter, we know that is going to be 100 is equal to 2, but we don't know L. Let me write L as it is, plus B, that is 23. Correct. Now what happens here, 100 is equal to 2L plus 2 into 23, it is going to be 46. So by simplifying, so 2L is equal to 100 minus 46. So which is going to be 100 minus 46 is 54. Right? 54. So therefore L is equal to, length of the rectangle is equal to how much? 54 by 2, which is going to be 27 meter. Now we are able to find length of a rectangle is 27 and breadth of a rectangle is 23. Now it's very easy to find the area of a rectangle. Area of a rectangle is equal to length into breadth. What is length? It is 27. What is breadth? 23. If you multiply, you are going to get the answer. Let me multiply here. 7 3 is 21, 2 carry 3 to the 6 plus 2 8. 2 7s are 14, 1 carry 2 to the 4 plus 1 is 5. 1 8 plus 4 is 12, 2 1 carry 5 plus 1 is 6, 6 21. Now we are able to find the breadth of the rectangle is 23 meter. Right, length of the rectangle is 27 meter and the area of the rectangle is 621 meter square. Apart from that, side of the square is how much? 25 meter. This is what the answer is.